If you're not a fan of Chrome's latest context menu design and miss the classic look, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to revert Chrome's context menu to the old familiar style. Go to Chrome address bar and type chrome://flags and press enter. It is settings page in the Google Chrome browser where users can access experimental features and advanced settings that are not yet enabled by default. Then in the search bar type Chrome refresh 2023. Chrome Refresh 2023 enables the new desktop design. Customize Chrome side panel must also be enabled. Then change Chrome Refresh 2023 to disable option. Now click on Relaunch button at the bottom right corner. This will relaunch the Chrome. Now when you click on three dots at the top left corner you will get old menu which you used to have earlier. When you want to revert to new menu then go to same option and set it to default. This much for today. If you like this video please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.